Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is methods and constructor. Here we see the what are methods and constructor, how to define it. Here method describe behavior of an object. Method is a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform an operation. Method is like a function that is used to expose the behavior of an object. Here we have two advantages of method: code reusability, code optimization. Here method is nothing but a code segment within a block. Here methods are used to perform a certain actions that are called as a functions. It is a block of code which only runs when it is called. Java provides a predefined method such as system.out.println. We can pass data which are known as a parameters in a method. Here we reuse the code, means define data once and reuse it many times. Here we have four types of methods: method without parameter, without return values, without parameter and with return value, with parameter, without return value, with parameter, with return value. Here we see the syntax: return type, method name, parameter list, body of the method. Example of the method: public string get name string st, string name is equal to study tonight, name is equal to name plus st, return name. Here we have seen return type and method name, and parameter list and body of the method. First one, public is the access modifier, string is the get means here string is the return name, get name is the method name, st is the parameter, and it is the block of the code. Next one is the constructor. Constructor is a special member method which will be called by the JVM automatically for placing programmer define values instead of placing default values. Constructors are meant for initializing the object. Here we have two advantages of constructor: it eliminates placing the default values, it eliminates the calling the normal method implicitly, means automatically. Here constructor is nothing but a method which have the same class name and method name. In Java, constructors are used for creating objects for the classes. Constructor will activate first out of any number of methods and no need to call a constructor. A constructor in Java is a special method that is used to initialize object. The constructor is called whenever an object is created for the class. Here the constructor is used for creating objects. It can be called implicitly. Rules or properties or characteristics of a constructor. Constructor name must be similar to the name of the class. Means here the same class name and method name is taken. Constructor should not return any value. And here the constructor should not be static, since constructor will be called each and every time whenever object is created. It not be static, and here it will be called each and every time whenever object is created. Constructor should not be a private, provided an object of one class is created in another class. Constructor will not be inherited at all. Constructors are used or are called automatically whenever an object is created. These are the rules. Means first one is the it is similar to the class name. Here the method name and class name is same. It should not return any value. It should not be static, and it should not be private. It should not inherited. It can be called automatically. Next one is the type of constructor. Based on creating objects in a Java, we have two types of constructor. There are default or parameterless or no argument constructor. Next one is the parameterized constructor. We have two types of constructors in the Java. First one is default, parameterized or no parameter. No, next one is the parameterized constructor. First one is default. A default constructor is one which will not take any parameter. Syntax: class name of default constructor is taken, and block of statement. Here no default values, means no parameters are taken. Example: class test int a comma b system.out.println I am from default constructor, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, system.out.println value of a, value of b. And next, class test demo, public static void main string arguments test t1 new test. Here the test is the class name as well as the method name. This is the constructor, and here the test is called, means we print the value of A and value of B. Here the output is I am from default constructor, and here the two values such as value of A is equal to 10, value of B is equal to 20 are printed. Here the test is the name which we have taken as a class name, and the method name, it can be called as a constructor, default constructor. Parameterized constructor is one which takes some parameters such as, here the syntax is class name, list of parameters are taken, block of statements are taken. Here the parameterized constructor means we take some parameters. In default we do not take any parameter, but in parameterized constructor we have taken a parameters. Example, class test int ab, here test int n1, int n2, means these are the parameters we have taken, int n1, int n2. System.out.println, I am from parameter constructor, a equal to n1, b equal to n2. Next one, value of a, value of b, and class test demo, public static void main, and strings test t1, new test 10, 20. Here the class name and method name are same, and parameters such as n1, n2 are taken. Next one is overloaded constructor. Overloaded constructor is the one in which constructor name is similar but its signature is different. Signature represents the number of parameters, type of parameters, order of parameter. Here at least one thing must be differentiated. Example, test t1 equal to new test of 10, 20. Test t2 is equal to new test 10, 20, 30. Test t3 is equal to new test 10.5 to 20.5. Test t4 is equal to new test 10, 20.5. And next one, test 3.4 is equal to new test 10, 20.5. Here we have taken same name but we have taken different parameters. This is nothing but a overloading. Here the one different may be enough for this. Here Java supports constructor overloading directly by creating two or more objects for the single class. We have taken the constructor overloading, means here one thing may be different, means here type of constructor, means type of parameter, order of parameter, one thing, here one thing may be different. Overloading means constructor name is similar but its signature is different. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.